A high-profile murder conviction is reversed on appeal. Drew McGinley was shot and killed outside the Elks Club in North Minneapolis following an unrelated vigil in 2021. Last week, an appellate court judge said the convicted shooter was deprived of a fair trial. Fox 9's Karen Scullin joining us with more on what happened here. Karen?
Well, you may remember this case. Drew McGinley, known as a youth coach and mentor and for running a T-shirt printing business, was killed after an altercation with a controversial former gang member. Well, now the person convicted for that shooting could walk free.
It was a case that upset a community. Drew McGinley was known for being a coach, mentor, and friend to Minneapolis kids. So when he was killed in June of 2021, it was devastating.
He meant a father to me, really. He was there for me, for football, basketball, in my life, school, everything.
Convicted and sentenced to 27 years for the crime, Deandre Turner. But now that decision has been reversed by an appellate judge. Judge Cochran saying Turner was deprived of a fair trial due to evidentiary errors and prosecutorial misconduct. In the decision, it says, first, the state's case was weak, that no forensic evidence was presented. No gun was found, no DNA, blurry and grainy surveillance video was used. The judge goes on to say the state used an improperly admitted out-of-court statement where the state's only witness ID'd the shooter, but at the suggestion of a police sergeant. In court, that witness denied knowing who fired the fatal shot. And court papers say additional prosecutorial errors include attorneys referring to witnesses that weren't called to testify, claimed Turner was drunk and probably high but had no proof, and insinuated Turner was in a gang, but there was no evidence. The case also garnering a lot of attention because it all started with the victim, Drew McGinley, getting into an altercation with controversial former Vice Lord gang member Sharif Willis. After spending years in prison, Willis became a peace activist. He interviewed with Fox 9 during the Turner trial, but wouldn't talk about the case. He did say this.
We got to put some of these guns down. We got to stop killing each other. It's senseless. It's useless. Everybody's a victim in this.
Some still question Willis's allegiance to the Vice Lord gang. Turner is still in prison for now.
Now, this decision came down on November 18th, Monday of last week. The Hennepin County Attorney's Office said in a comment to Fox 9, the Court of Appeals opinion is concerning, and we are in the process of reviewing the transcript before making a decision. The office has 30 days to appeal the decision to the state Supreme Court or decide whether they will charge and retry the case. In the newsroom, Karen Scullin, Fox 9.
And we're